What is going on, boys and girls? We are back for another video. I know this is not a vlog, this is more of a POV type of thing today, but I mean, it's Friday. I was home, bored, nothing to do. If anything, I'd probably do something later with the boys, but right now I was just bored. Like, I wanted to do something. I was gonna upload a video this week. It was gonna be like a vlog, but stuff didn't work out as I planned it to work out. My camera died and I didn't even have a charger, so I had to order one, and I finally got it. So I was like, okay, looks like I'm gonna have to probably just do this till the next week, but it's fine. So today I just wanted to bring you guys on a POV type of style video, you know, just me driving, banging through the gears. And yeah, I mean, I'm gonna go through this one back road over here and it should be fun. I mean, it's just a long back road, so it's something. But yeah, right now it's pretty gray outside. Honestly, it's not the best day because it says it's gonna rain tomorrow or something like that, but I was like, that's not stopping me. Let's go get some footage. Let's see how it comes out. And yeah, so let's get this video started, boys. We made it, boys. Driving through those river roads was so peaceful, so calm. I pulled up to this little spot right here. This spot honestly is such a good spot. Like, it's so quiet over here, but there are some residents, but it's a huge space. So I see some people have done donuts here, but I don't think it's the smartest thing to do here. But the ride was great, guys. The handling was perfect. It was perfect. I loved it. I feel like every time I hop back in this car and I drive it, I fall more in love with it. It was just so perfect, man. Like, such a good drive. The roads were a little bumpy, but other than that, it was perfect. I hope the POV picked it up good. Just ripping through those roads, those old river roads. I was just driving. That road is literally endless. That thing is endless. I don't know where that takes you, but you know, I was already pretty deep in it. I mean, I need some gas right now too, so I decided to head back, and I found this spot. I was always curious about this spot, but let's see. Yeah, guys, she did amazing. She looks so good right now too. This is such a good spot too. Look at this whole empty spot right here. But yeah, guys, it was amazing. Sorry for the wind noise if it does pick up. I'm pretty sure it is going to pick up on camera, but it was just a fun experience. Love going through those roads. I hope I could bring you guys more of those POV type of videos when I find new roads and new places to go through. That's literally one that's always been there for the longest. I remember I used to come in my old car and go through those roads, but now that I actually want to do YouTube and start doing videos, I think that was a great just video to do. I think it was amazing. It was so good, guys. But if you guys are still watching, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. Make sure to drop a big fat thumbs up, comment, subscribe, comment anything you guys want to see. And yeah, this was just a little video, get something for you guys. And yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys. See y'all for the next time. Peace.